Hello, I will talk briefly about the stars. The closest star to Earth is the Sun. The Sun is 150 million kilometers from Earth, and it takes to the Sun's rays 8 minutes to reach Earth. In general, you can say that any celestial body that emits heat and light as a result of nuclear fusion is defined as a star, whereas any celestial body that rotates around a star is defined as a planet. The next closest star to Earth is the star Proxima Centauri, that is 4 light years from Earth. That is to say that the light that emitted from the star Proxima Centauri travels 4 years to reach the Earth. So theoretically, if there was a wedding in the star Proxima Centauri and you broadcast the wedding live to the Earth, and the pictures from the wedding arrives now at April 2024. Actually, the wedding on the star Proxima Centauri took place at April 2019, because it took to the pictures 4 years to travel from the star Proxima Centauri to the Earth. Okay, so generally you can say that when you look at the stars, you are actually looking into the past. Okay? So we can define a star as a spherical celestial body consists of matter in form of gas and plasma aggregation. Okay? Actually, the stars in the universe are organized in structures of galaxies, and the galaxies themselves in turn organized in structures of galaxy clusters, and the galaxy clusters themselves are organized in superclusters, and the superclusters are organized in a bigger structure that is called Great Wall. And the Great Wall is the largest structure known in the visible universe. Okay, now I will explain what is a galaxy. A galaxy is a collection of many stars held together by the force of gravity, and the galaxy actually moves as 1 unit in the universe, and all the stars in the galaxy rotate around the center of a galaxy. An example of a galaxy is the Milky Way galaxy. Actually, our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. So is the Earth, that is located in the solar system, that's located in the Milky Way galaxy. And actually, the Milky Way galaxy consists of 200 billion stars. It is one estimation. Other estimation is that the Milky Way galaxy consists of 400 billion stars that held together by the force of gravity, and all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy rotates around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, so that is the definition of a galaxy. Then a collection of many galaxies held together by the force of gravity and moves as one unit in the universe is called a galaxy cluster. So in a galaxy cluster you can have hundreds of galaxies, up to thousands of galaxies that held together by the force of gravity. And a bigger structure is a collection of many galaxy clusters held together by the force of gravity, is called a supercluster. And a supercluster also can contain hundreds of galaxy clusters, up to thousands of galaxy clusters that held together as one unit by the force of gravity. And the size of a supercluster could be 100 million light years long, up to 400 million light years long. Okay, and then you have a bigger structure that is many superclusters held together as one unit by the force of gravity and moves as one unit in the universe. That is called a great wall. So a great wall is a collection of many superclusters that held together by the force of gravity and moves as one unit in the universe. And an example of a great wall is huge LGQ that is 1 billion light years far away from Earth, and the size of huge LGQ is about 1.37 billion light years long. Okay, so we can summarize the topic of the stars, the structure of the stars in the visible universe, and we can say that the stars in the visible universe are organized in galaxies that in turn organized in galaxy clusters that in turn are organized in superclusters that in turn are organized in big walls, great walls. Okay, so that is the structures of the stars in the visible universe. Okay, thank you very much.